Hi guys, welcome to Downtime Fun. Finally, I've made this video. I have been planning to make this since starting this channel, but never got around to making it due to one reason or another, or just plain lazy. But anyway, in this video I will show 3 of my favorite card magic effects that is quick, appealing to the eye, no setup needed, and entertaining. They are of different difficulty, but everyone will be able to do it if with sufficient practice. So let's get into it. The first effect is a classic color change by Erdnase. This is actually one of my first tricks that I learned back in the days, and the effect is like so. Ace of diamonds just turn magically into the Queen of Spades. Once again, let's see the King of Clubs, and the King of Clubs will change into the Six of Clubs. So the simple effect is like this. A card changes to another, which is called the color change. 10 of Clubs change into a Six of Clubs. And that's basically the whole effect. The way to do it is to use this part of your fingers to push the top card up, exposing the bottom card here, obviously covered by the hand, and use the base of your palm to draw the second card out, and then can push it back up to cover the top card. So once again, use the fingers to push the top card up, and the base of your palm, draw the second card down and clear the top card, like so. Use your left index finger to push down the first card and cover the whole thing with the second card, like so. One more time. Push the top card, draw the second card, and then exchange their positions. And you've got it. This effect is, I think it looks very interesting and visually have a big impact. So it's a good entertainer or an icebreaker with your friends and family. Okay, the second effect, I use it in the ambitious card routine. So the spectator picks the Six of Hearts. We put the Six of Hearts back into the deck somewhere in the middle. It's not the bottom card and it's not the top card. The first part of the ambitious routine is to tap the deck and it jumps from the middle to the top, like so. Now put the Six of Hearts back to the middle again, and it's not at the bottom and it's certainly not at the top. Now it just flies right out from the deck to my right hand. This is an effect from one of my favorite contemporary magicians, Lennart. He uses the left pinky to basically flip or flick the card from the top of the deck to the right hand, and this requires a lot of practice. My version is with a mechanical grip, so the index finger is on the top, but the whole mechanism is basically the same, to use the left pinky to flick the card out. It's not easy, but with enough practice you'll get the feel and you should be able to do it maybe 90% of the time. I'll just quickly show you how many times I failed during this video making. So it's really difficult, but it's really cool when you can execute it and your friends will beg you to show them more. And the last effect is a routine. It's called the 3-card Monte. It goes something like this. Flip the top card and it's the Queen of Spades. Move it to the bottom of the pile and flip the top card again, and it's the Queen of Spades. Now move the top card again to the bottom and flip it over, and it's still the Queen of Spades. One more time, put the Queen of Spades at the bottom and you flip it around and it's the Queen of Spades. And then someone will come up and say, this is nothing special, you can have 3 Queen of Spades, and that's correct. I have 3 Queens of Spades. But then the final review is that I have only been using 1 Queen of Spades and 2 aces all along. So for this one, it's mainly a double lift, and what you have to do is to use the left index finger to push the bottom card down like so, and you can lift the top 2 cards as one. So the queen is from the middle, actually lifted as the top card. So again, left index, push and leave a gap with the 2 cards, and you can lift it as one. So, and then return, move the top card, which is the Ace of Hearts, to the bottom of the pile, and now do a single lift, a normal lift, which is the Queen of Hearts, Queen of Spades. Then do the double lift again, move the top 2 cards to the bottom, and if you're keeping track, the Queen of Spades should now be in the middle, and you do the double lift again, so it seems the top card is the Queen of Spades. Now move the top card to the bottom, which is the Ace of Hearts, and do this normal single lift. And this is the final move. The convince is that we'll do the frustration count. So Queen of Spades, remove the top card, Queen of Spades, remove the top card, and the Queen of Spades. So it seems like all 3 cards are the Queen of Spades, but actually you're only showing the same card over and over again. And then it's done. Now you can show that you're only using the 1 Queen of Spades and 2 aces. And these are the 3 card effects that I want to show you in this video. Remember to practice before showing, so you won't be flashing or letting your friends know how the magic is done. If you like this video and want to see more magic tutorials, please leave a comment below and I will try to make another one later. Please click the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, or puzzle videos or tech videos, reviews. In the meantime, take care and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.